Greetings from lawfirms.live. My name is Thomas. I am the founder and CEO of the organization lawfirms.live. In our continuing endeavor to discuss the principles of sales and marketing in the context of lawyers and law firms, today we are going to discuss the topic of brand. When I mention computers, which is the name that comes to your mind? Obviously, Apple. When I say soft drinks, which is the product that comes to your mind? Of course, it is Coca-Cola. Now, the most important question. When your potential client, yes, I am talking about the potential client. When your potential client has a legal issue, will they remember your law firm's name? If they remember your law firm's name, then you are a brand. If your potential client does not know or remember your law firm's name, then you are not a brand. So what is a brand? Brand is something that distinguishes you from the crowd of law firms. How does brand do that? Brand delivers a clear and precise message into the legal market, which creates trust and credibility for your law firm. So brand is the soul of your law firm. The brand conveys a message, the brand has a voice. So in total, brand is the identity and personality of your law firm. As you know, sales and marketing and its principles are never taught in any law school. So most of the lawyers are confused about what brand means. Majority thinks that brand means having a logo. A brand is something more than a logo. Logo is a part of the brand. The entire visual images connected to your law firm, that is your fonts, the designs that you use in your brochure, in your website, the color palette, including your logo, forms the visual identity of your law firm, and that is known as the brand identity. How do you make your law firm a brand? The process of creating a brand is known as branding. Let us examine the various stages of branding. The branding process starts with appointing a branding consultant. The branding consultant will discuss with the managing partners, the management, the partners, some of your existing clients and all clients, and arrive at a branding strategy. Let us look into the elements of branding strategy. So the branding strategy will have a brand positioning. How is the law firm going to be positioned in the market? Along with the brand positioning, what is the message that you are going to convey to the market? What is the brand voice? So based on all these elements, the consultant will arrive at the brand identity. This includes creation of the logo, the selection of the color for the logo, your fonts, the design elements that has to be used in the brochure and in the website. Including all those things, he will create the brand identity for your law firm. Once the brand identity is created, you need to create awareness about your brand. How do you create awareness about your brand? So awareness should be created both externally and internally in your law firm. The external awareness can be created by publishing your brand identity in your website, in your brochure, in your marketing communications, in your emails, in your letterhead, in your social media. So the market will be aware of your new identity. So once the identity is created, then through your various communications, you need to convey your brand message to the market. So once you continuously do the brand awareness, it will reach a point where the market will identify your brand identity At this point, we say that you have received the brand recognition. When you receive the brand recognition, there will be more number of potential clients coming to your law firm for obtaining the legal services. Once you follow your brand promise, the existing clients and the newly added clients will create a brand loyalty for your brand. Once you reach the brand loyalty, there will be more number of clients flowing towards your law firm. One caution: you have created a brand, you have created awareness about it. So when you create the awareness externally, you should also take strong steps to create an internal awareness for the brand. For example, your brand message is anybody can approach your law firm. Consider that a potential client comes to your office. The security person looks at this potential client as if he is a terrorist. When the potential client comes to the receptionist says, "Okay, please go and sit there." This is an aggressive tone. So the potential client will be totally confused because your brand says you are approachable, and the two touch points that he has met in the last 1 or 2 minutes conveyed a totally different message. So whatever brand message you want to convey, that should be done both externally and internally. Now, do you want to brand your law firm? Before thinking about branding, please think about these few things. Branding is a process. It will take more than a year to establish a brand. Once you create the brand awareness, brand recognition, and brand loyalty, you cannot stop. It's a continuing process. You need to spend a lot of your time, money, and efforts in creating a brand. But the brand is worth it. Once you are a brand, you will get a regular flow of clients, and there are many more advantages of being a brand. If you want to be a brand, you need to start the work sooner or later. Better start now. As I mentioned, it's a long process, but the rewards are huge. Thank you.